These walls withstand strong earthquakes. The old bridge is withstanding the floods so far. The tent has withstood 3 storms this season. The dam has been withstanding the pressure for weeks. The fortress withstood the siege for a year. The roof was withstanding the gale when a tile flew off. The hull had withstood the ice before the final crack. The team had been withstanding criticism for months before the win. This alloy will withstand extreme heat. The barrier will be withstanding the waves all night. By morning, the levee will have withstood the surge. By spring, the shelter will have been withstanding the cold for a year.